Where do we see Xander?
Must have been the wind.
So as we're repairing wiring today, we've got our battery disconnected. Xander's giving me some help with a lot of the extra stuff today because my back's bothering me. So I'm very thankful. But
Hey, stay in your corner and shut up.
yep, exactly. So as we're double checking everything, do we see what's wrong with this picture?
Everything.
We have another broken wire. So I'm gonna repair that as well. We'll move the power steering pump bracket back to here because this one's bad. Start getting everything wired up. We have to put the new switch in to power this so we know that we're good. And we're taken care of. Yay. This day is just gonna be so much fun. It's just literally fixing issues. That's all it is. So, but we still, no matter what, this car is just so damn sexy. It really is. You just don't find them like this anymore. All right, well, let me get back to work here because my boss can be a bit of a...
You guys see those billboards like when you're going on the freeway and it's like stressed at work or bullied at work and it's like 855 FU bully? I'm gonna call that.
That's good, I like that. On that note, we're gonna get back to work. Have a good one, Aaron.